Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to find liked stories on Facebook. Whether you're trying to revisit something you enjoyed or simply manage your activity, this guide will make it easy for you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu, and then select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Now, scroll down until you find a section called Your Activity. Under this section, tap on Activity Log. The activity log is essentially a detailed record of everything you've done on Facebook. Once inside the activity log, look for an option called Your Facebook Activity. Tap on it, and from the list that appears, select Stories. This will narrow down your activity log specifically to stories. Finally, tap on Manage Stories. Here you'll be able to view all the stories you've interacted with or liked. From this screen, you can revisit those stories or adjust your interactions as needed. And that's it. Following these simple steps will help you quickly find and manage your liked stories on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching.